Yeah, hello. Welcome again on our channel, The Digital Point. Okay, like and subscribe our channel. Okay, before watching this video, because today I am going to tell you how to partition your C drive or any drive in Windows 10 or Windows 7 without formatting. Like after the installation, if you already installed a Windows in your computer, okay, and after that you want to create a new drive in the computer, then this video is going to help you. Okay, so if you, this thing will work for Windows 8 as well, okay, and any Windows version, okay, like Windows 7, 8, 10 or Vista. Okay, and for this, what you need to do, first of all, you need to press the Windows and R key, okay, together. Okay, I will first of all tell you where is Windows key on your keyboard. Okay, on the left very bottom side of your keyboard, if you will see in the last row, you will see a Windows logo key. Okay, that is a 4 square key. You need to press and hold that key, and along with that key you need to press the letter R. Okay, and if you will press the both key together, then a run box will appear on the computer. It usually appears on the left bottom corner of the computer, but right now I just changed the setting, so it is just coming in the center. Okay, and here if you will type notepad and click OK, then the notepad will open. Okay, and but right now we are not going to open the notepad. Okay, we need to open a different thing. Okay, and that is gonna be the computer management. Okay, and to simplify the things, I'm just giving you one way to open the computer management. Okay, and on the run box you need to type this command. Okay, that will be compmgmt.msc. that will be like C as in Charlie, O as in Oscar, M as in Mike, P as in Peter, M as in Mike again, and G as in Gary, M as in Mike again, T as in Titanic, dot M as in Mike, S as in Sierra, and then C as in Charlie. Okay, that will be compmgmt.msc. Okay, and after putting this command, you need to just hit OK. I'm just writing this down in a little big font on the notepad, so you can just see that and you don't do the spelling mistake. Okay, so in the background we have that computer management. Now just let me show you. This is the computer management window. On the left hand side you can see a menu like system tools, task scheduler, event viewer, and after that you will see the storage thing. Okay, and in the storage you have a disk management option. You just need to click on that disk management. Okay, if you'll click on the disk management, then it will show you the drives, okay, in your computer. Let me show you. Here it is, and on the downside you can see disk 0, system recovered, C, and about the CD-ROM, all the informations are there. Okay, and the system reserve thing, it is just for your like BIOS and other settings. Okay, and this healthy recovery section, it is also you are not going to use. Okay, because it is a recovery thing. Okay, if something will happen to your computer, there will be some recovery files that are already stored in that 541 MB. Okay, and now moving towards the important disk, that is C. Right now I just have one disk in my computer. Okay, and that is C disk. Okay, and a total of nearly 300 GB of data, or you can say space, is there. Okay, and in which only 90 GB is free space, but still I can use this 90 GB to create another drive. Okay, if you usually install the Windows in your computer, it will automatically it will be automatically installed in the C drive. Okay, then if you only have that drive, then what you need to do, you just need to right click. First of all, just click on that C. Okay, if it is selected, it will be shown like some arrows. Okay, and if you will click, and then if you will right click on that, after selecting, you need to click again, right click, and then you will find this shrink volume option in the middle. Okay, you need to click on that. By that, what we will do, we will shrink some volume, okay, from this C drive. Okay, and that is going to be our free space to create the new drive. Okay, so it will take some time according to the speed of your computer, like maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 5 minutes. Okay, it depends on the computer processing speed. Okay, right now, and talking about the computer speed, I am also going to show you some tune-up videos in coming days, so you can just tune up your computer and make it fast. Okay, in this way, like it will be optimum, it will give you the optimum performance, because you know that. Okay, now moving to the video, here it is showing us the shrink option. Okay, means how much amount you want to shrink. Okay, we already have 90 GB of space. Okay, that is showing me nearly 90 GB of space here. Okay, 90 GB of space, that is equals in MB. All the things are given here are in MB. Okay, so, and I want to let you know that 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB. So 90 GB is equal to 90 into 1024, that will be roughly, you can see that 92917. Okay, something, this is the data for the MB for 90 GBs. Okay, 90.14 GBs, which I do have right now. What I am going to do is just I am going to give a 20 GB shrink space, so that will be means shrink from the C, and that will be free for us. Okay, so 20 GB means that will be 20,480 MB. Okay, because 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB, 10 GB means 10,204 MB, and just double of that is 20,480 MB. So I'm just going to make it 20,480 MB. Okay, that will be 20 GBs of space. Okay, so this much I am going to shrink from the C. So after just putting that, just click on shrink, and when you will click on shrink, it will take a while, like 1 minute. Okay, and then it will just shrink the space of C, and the remaining 20 GB, okay, that will be unassigned space or unallocated space. Okay, so let's see, it's happening. Okay, that computer taking some processing time for that. Okay, and it will also happen in your case. Okay, I'm just not moving forward. Okay, the process, you can just go ahead and see. Now you can see 20 GB unallocated space is now here. Okay, now we need to make it a drive. Okay, from that 20 GB, first of all just click. Okay, means like left click, so that portion will be selected, then right click on that, then these options will come. There will be option like new simple volume. Okay, first click and then right click, and then click on new simple volume simply. Okay, these are all the options, but you need to click on new simple volume. And now welcome to the new simple volume wizard. You just need to follow the positive options. Okay, the options are already selected, you just need to click on next, next, next. Okay, and here you can assign the drive letter for your new drive. Okay, like if you want to make it H or G or something, you can just assign a drive letter for the new drive which you are going to make out of that 20 GB unallocated space. Okay, so like here I am just assigning this drive as A. Okay, I'm just, and here the file system is already selected as NTFS. You don't need to change that. Okay, click on next again. So you just need to click on next on all the option and click on finish in the end. Okay, that's it. Now this 20 GB space is created as your new disk. Okay, and in this disk you can move any number of data which is under the 20 GB. Okay, now you can see the new volume A is assigned name to that drive. Okay, so I believe that's it for this video. The drive is being created, and moving forward here I can see that drive is 20 GB free drive. Okay, if I am just going to my PC drive, then I will find this new volume A as a completely clean drive, and I can just move the data here. Okay, any number of data can be moved here, but that could be under 20 GB. Okay,